Good evening, and good evening to your viewers. It's a very difficult question, and I'm saying it's difficult because it's realistic in nature. It's not a philosophical view that anyone can have an immediate response to. As an African child, we grew up being taught that indoda ikhaya. So when you fight in the streets, you need to make sure that you find a corner where no one can see. You shed your tears when you appear again in public. You appear formidable, and you appear without weakness. You bottle everything up. I'd like to, in fact, generalize it and not limit it to us Black South Africans, because it appears to be a general concern that exists. I mean, it's one of the reasons why I've decided to come and learn as well, as a man. IsiZulu sithi ukwahlula insizwa kuyabikwa. Ngizolalela lokho kuzobikwa la. Ngizozwa ukuthi kanti sesivulekile yini. I-input enginayo as a young man that has practical experience, by the way, of the harsh reality of our society. I think I have a lot to say. I think I have a story to tell. A story of basically simplicity, as well as a story of victory, resilience and persistence. We would just need to have a platform where we can learn to share our emotions. It's not easy for a man to cry on whichever shoulder that presents itself. So Ungazibulali is in fact a very powerful initiative, and it's needed, not only towards young people but different age groups, so that we can learn from those that have gone through situations that we are yet to be confronted by, so that we can also share some of the challenges in modern society that ordinarily would not have immediate access to. So I'm hoping that I'll have significant contribution as an ordinary person that relates on a personal level with our communities. Thank you.